Welcome to this Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create a chic storage box using Readi-Board foam board. To begin, I'm going to create my box. I prefer working from the middle out, so I'm going to mark the center points of my board. Decide how large you'd like to make the box. While plotting, make sure that you leave enough material on the edges to create the sides of the box. On these two shorter flaps, I'm going to add an extra 3/16 to the outside edges. I decided later to make the box slightly smaller, so I'm going to redo this side. Now I'm going to cut away the background. I'm going to cut this little area here where I added the 3/16 of an inch. After the background is cut out, I'm going to score the interior lines. Notice that my score line for these longer sides doesn't correspond with the edge of the side flap. Bend at the score marks. I'm going to use hot glue to tack my sides together. I'm also going to run a little glue into the corners. Tack down the end of your rope into the groove at the bottom. Then begin winding the rope, gluing in sections. Continue winding until you reach the top. Once you've gotten your entire box covered, it's time to get your fabric. I've already cut this piece to size. You want to make sure that the fabric is at least large enough to cover the entire box. If you'd like more material folded over the edges, you will want to make sure you have additional fabric on all of the sides. I'm going to fold the fabric twice to find the center. Then I'll use my straight pins to keep the fabric from shifting while I work. Pin the corners. If you're hand stitching, you can sew the fabric instead of pinning. Just be sure you don't stitch onto the rope. When everything is pinned, I will pull the fabric off the box and get my machine ready. I'm just using a simple straight stitch, removing the pins as I go. When the corners are stitched, we can remove the excess fabric. Onto the box inside out. Then fold up and pin the edges. Once everything is pinned in place, remove and stitch all the way around. Remove the pins. I'm going to trim away some of the frayed edges and excess thread. Finally, place the fabric onto your box. One of the nice things about this project is how easily you can change up your look by switching to a different fabric. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you'd like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.